an understanding that the global economy is fragile. Robert Schiller of Yale University, he makes his annual visit to Davos, and he is in search of the good society. Of course, his prolific writing. Wonderful to have you here. I want to get to housing here in a minute. I know you've been thinking a lot about that recently, but on Davos, finally, the financial system is better.
A little better, yeah. We still have risks going forward. I guess people look at interest rates, you know.
You look at the spread market. The spread market is better. Can you confidently bring that improved spread market over to an improved real economy, whether in Europe or in the United States?
Yeah, you're talking to the wrong man for that. I wrote a book, Animal Spirits.
Yeah.
What is it that drives it? George Akerlof and I thought it's mostly psychology or attitudes or stories that drive the economy. This whole European crisis that we're going through was started by a story of Greece. It's a great story. Those Greeks, they caused the whole
confidence.
thing.
But we see a better stock market in the United States. We see the VIX, where it is even the housing market providing stability. That speaks to that greater confidence. Can you assume a business animal spirit in the next 12 months?
Well, the other thing, fundamental principle of economics is mean reversion, and you don't stay in depressions for too long.
Noah Robini thinks so.
I was going to do Reinhardt and Rogoff, who claim that when you have a financial crisis, you go through 10 years of a weak economy. And that bothers me. You know, that's an authoritative study. They studied 800 years of financial history. It bothers me. So I still keep that in my mind. We've been 5 years in a slow economy. And it could go quite a bit longer.
James Dimon was here talking 3–4% GDP. Do you not agree with Jamie Dimon of J.P. Morgan that we can get back to the old economy we knew?
Well, we could. Anything can happen. But we've seen GDP growth at subnormal levels and at a lower level. It has to be supernormal to get us back.
Okay, supernormal housing market. You have been cautious with Carl Case on a housing